Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can activate your O2 eSIM. So the method varies depending on what you did when you bought your device. If you first bought your device and you already selected the eSIM, then the setup is very simple. You just need to switch on your device and follow the on-screen instruction to get started. And then during your setup, a screen will appear telling you that your eSIM's been activated. This will happen automatically and might take a couple of minutes to complete. You'll be told that your eSIM is active on your new device. You can just tap continue and carry on with the rest of your device setup. That's if you bought your eSIM with your new device. If you have a pre-existing device and you bought a new eSIM, then the method will be different. You can download your eSIM manually by following these steps here. I'm going to read out the new to. If you have access to the My O2 app, then you can just do this very simple step. You just sign in to My O2 via the My O2 app. Make sure you're in the account section and tap you have an eSIM profile ready for installation. And then you can just tap install now. A pop-up will appear prompting you that a data plan is ready to be added. Tap continue. This might take a couple of minutes to complete, but then just tap add data plan. Your eSIM is set up and you'll be directed back to My O2 app.